Good morning all of you, my dear students. Welcome all of you in Science Video Standard 1. Our book name is Evolving Science. So student, today we will discuss some questions, means some assignment questions, okay, from chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay students, see here. What are these chapters student? This is discussion of assignment questions. Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Our Chapter 1 name is Environment and Chapter 2 name is Living Things and Non-Living Things. We have already discussed many questions on these chapters student, but today we will discuss some different questions. Okay. Now see in the question. The first question is match the following. The type of first question is match the following, means we have to match the left thing to the right thing. Okay, means we have to match it correctly. Okay, so see the first one student. Environment. What is environment student? Environment means everything around us, means everything in the world around us. So let's see where it is. People who live near us, things have life in them, everything in the world around us, things created by man, throwing waste around. So what will be the answer student? Let's discuss in the next slide here. See, environment means student everything in the world around us. So we will match environment to this one. Okay, we have seen this option in the previous slide student. See here, what is this? This is our environment. Okay student, everything, plants, sky, birds, animals, flowers, all the things which are present in our world around us are our environment. So environment, we will match environment to everything in the world around us. Okay, now moving to the next one students. See here, see the next one. Litter. What is litter students? See, to which option we will match litter? See here, people who live near us, things have life in them, everything in the world, things created by man, throwing waste around. Now let's discuss student what is litter. See here, see student, litter. Litter means throwing waste around. We have discussed this in our chapter number 1, environment. Okay student, so litter, the right matching of litter will be throwing waste around, means you can see here in this picture children, this is our environment, and litter means throwing waste here and there is looking, means people are throwing waste here and there and polluting the environment. What it can cause children? It can cause damage to our environment, and what we have to do? We have to stop this. Okay, we have to stop making litter around us, and what we have to do students? We have to clean our environment. By keeping our environment green and clean, we can mm, we can save our environment and we can live a healthy life. Okay, so litter means throwing waste around. Now moving to our next question students. See here, this will be the right answer for litter. Litter will go with throwing waste around. Here will be the answer, throwing waste around, and environment will be everything around in the world around us. Now the third one is neighbors. What we will match to neighbors student? People who live near us, things have life in them, everything in the world around us, things created by man, throwing waste around. So let's see the answer student. Let's discuss the answer. See here, Everyone sees students. Neighbors. Neighbors means children, we have already discussed. People who live near us. Means the people who live near us, near our house, are called what? They are our neighbors. They live in our neighborhood. See children, this is our neighborhood and these are what? These are neighbors. Means the people who live near us. See here, these houses and these buildings are called what? These are neighborhood. And see, the people are meeting each other. What are these? These are our neighbors. So neighbor will be matching to people who live near us. Okay students, so this will be the answer for neighbors. We will match neighbors to this one. See students, we will match neighbors to people who live near us. Okay, and for environment we will match everything in the world. Litter we will match throwing waste. Now living things. What are living things children? People who live near us. Things have life in them. Everything in the world around us. Things created by man. Throwing waste around. Let's see the answer student. Living things. Let's discuss what we will match to living things. See here students, living things. Living things means children, we have already discussed, things have life in them. Those things student which have life in them means who can survive, who can breathe, who can eat, who can grow, who can change, who can move from one place to another place. What are these? These all are living things, means they have life in them. See here student, these are the picture of living things. Plants, animals, birds. What are these? These are living things. These dragonfly, frog, people, mushroom, flower, tree, fish, bird. What are these students? These are living things. Each of them, every one of them in these pictures are having life. Okay, so they are living things students. So we will match it to living things. Living things means children, things have life in them. Okay, now man-made thing. What is left student? Things created by man. So we will do this. Okay, things that are created by man are called man-made thing. Okay, now I am matching this for you. Neighbors, people who live near us. Environment means everything in the world around us. Okay, so let's discuss the last question also students. Man-made thing. What are man-made things? Let's see here. See student, man-made things, that things created by man, means the things which are made by man. Okay, see here, man-made things are what children? House, fan, chair, clothes, bag, computer. Each and everything that you see around you which are created by man are called what? Man-made things. Okay students, so man-made things will be matching to things created by man. Okay, this was your first assignment student. Now the second assignment is this. This is so easy and this is specially for you students. Draw and label two picture of living things, non-living things, natural things and man-made things. What you have to do here student? You have to draw two pictures. Okay, two pictures of living thing, two living things picture, two non-living things picture, two natural things picture and two man-made things picture. Okay, you will make it by yourself student, just I am giving you the help. See here student, living things. In living things you can draw plants, animals. I have drawn fish and a flower. You can draw boy, girl, any animal and any other living things. Okay, now this is living things student. Now we will draw non-living things. In non-living things you can also draw anything student. For in non-living things you can draw house, bench, aeroplane, toy, anything. Okay, ball, ice cream, pencil, balloons. These are called what, children? These are non-living things. You can draw anything from these and you can draw it by yourself also. Okay, now moving to another one. The third one is natural thing. Natural things mean, children, natural things means the things which are created by God. Okay, the things which are not created by man, which are created by only God, and they are present in our environment, like mountain, rain, sun, trees, water, sky. What are these, students? These are natural things. So you can make any two pictures from these picture, or you can make any pictures of your favorite desire. Okay, so you can make any pictures from this. Now moving to our next question. This will be the next question for the drawing. Man-made thing. Okay, man-made thing, student. We have to make man-made things. Only two man-made things you have to draw, student. There are many. You can draw any one from these, like table, chair, bat, books, chair, car, cake, house. Any two from these you can pick, or you can choose from your favorite things. Okay, you can draw by yourself also, or you can choose from this one also. So this was the assignment for today's video. Now we will meet in our next video, students. Hope you will like this video and enjoyed it very well. We will meet in our next video, student. Till then, bye bye, take care.